Hi, this is Brian Pash, and I have great news for dealers who are looking to elevate the skills of their internal team to improve their marketing results, to improve their internet sales process, and hold their vendors accountable that they're doing the right things to help you sell more cars in a digital age. Specific automotive marketing courses and one course on internet sales process are now available to you and your team to build the skills you need to sell more cars in a digital age. These 4 online courses, 3 are master marketing certifications, and 1 is a master on internet sales process, are included with your ticket to the Digital Marketing Strategies Conference, June 2nd, 3rd, and 4th in Austin, Texas. The idea is that these courses can be started right now. That means your team can take all 4 courses, or maybe just the one that interests them. These certified marketer masterclasses are courses that your team needs to, improve the thousands of dollars you're spending each month on marketing. And the masterclass on internet sales process, led by my brother, Glenn Pash, is the way in which you can leverage AI and new technology, new workflows to increase your closing rates. So when you purchase your ticket to DMSC, each ticket holder can access those 4 courses. Whether they take 1, 2, or all 4, it's all included. And then at DMSC, we will have a 2-hour final course hands-on session. Your team can choose which hands-on session they want to attend, but this is exactly what dealers need to do more with their existing staff, to elevate their knowledge, to elevate their ability to hold vendors accountable, and more importantly, help you become more efficient in selling cars in a digital age. So if you have any questions on the courses, just go to digitalmarketingstrategies.org. You'll see all the course information, but purchase your ticket now so that you can start taking these online courses and then celebrate with the final closing class live at DMSC on June 4th. I'll see you in Austin.